Hello, welcome to Intelligent Mobile Apps with Ionic and API.AI. I am Samarth Agrawal and I am going to be your instructor for this course. This course will introduce you to API.AI and will teach you how you can use this amazing technology to build intelligent and talking mobile apps with the very popular Ionic Framework. You will not only learn about the concepts but also implement those concepts to build an intelligent mobile app that talks for both Android and iOS with the help of these two amazing technologies. Let's have a look at the contents of this course. We will start by learning the basics of Ionic Framework, including how to create and run apps in Ionic Framework, and then move on to learning the basics of API.AI. You'll learn all about intents and entities in API.AI. Then you'll start working on the app and prepare it for integration with API.AI's intelligence engine. Once it is done, we will move on to adding more advanced features to this app using fulfillment and webhooks. Next, we will enable our app to do basic mathematical calculations, and finally, we'll enable this app to provide weather information for any city in the world. All this sounds so much exciting and fun, right? Why not have a look at the app that we are going to end up building? So this is the app that we are going to build. You can interact with the AI using voice and text, and the API will respond to all your messages. You can ask it to perform basic calculations for you. You can even ask for weather information and it will provide you the weather information for your city. Let's start this journey of building this amazing app together. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.